So we've acquired some commercial space to do our event space, and then acquiring that commercial space, getting it ready, I was reluctant to post the pictures because there were some things I wanted to do with the space before we went live with it. But how many know oftentimes progress over perfection is the way to go? Because what happens is when you wait on something to become perfect to get it done, you never get it done. You never get it done. And so we went ahead and put that live. And then all of a sudden, 24 hours after we did that, we got a booking for the entire month of February to use the event space. Why am I telling you? Because some of you are waiting on something to be perfect for a person that is ready for what you have right now. For a market that is ready for what you have right now.